Okay, let's check this out. I did it. So solve for x, 2x. I subtracted my to start, and then I divided by 2 to get x equals 10 minus my over 2. Okay, there's actually one more I want to try here. I just thought of it, and I was like, oh, I should cover that. So the instructions are going to be solve for a, and we'll just do one of these. I don't have another one to give you, but I just want you to see it. So the instructions are solve for a. And I'm going to give you a couple of terms with a's in it. So I'm going to say 2a plus xa equals, let's just say 1 for simplicity. Okay, now the first thing that we normally do here is we'll have a and a. Let me combine like terms. Let me add those up. And that's exactly what I'm going to do. Although it's going to look a little crazy. Okay, so I need to put in front of this a whatever 2 plus x is. Like if I have, let me scooch over here, I'll come back in a second. If I have 2x plus 3x, that gives me 5x. I take the numbers out front and I add them together and I put that out front. Well, what is 2 plus x? 2 plus x, guess what? That is 2 plus x. Okay, so you can just write that like that. You can't add 2 and x together. X is a variable, so just write 2 plus x. Okay, now let me come back over here. Let's say that equals 1. What would I do next? I would divide by 5. Divide by 5, divide by 5. You divide by whatever is in front of the coefficient. Okay, well, let's come back here. What is in front of my coefficient? It's 2 plus x. And these parentheses in the denominator are extra. I don't really need them because they're the only thing there, but I wrote them anyway. So those will cancel out, just like over there, the 5s will cancel out. Those 5s would cancel out, those 5, okay? So what am I left with? I have a is equal to, just copy this. It's kind of messy, it's kind of weird. That's okay. Oh, beautiful. Okay, this is not as emphasized on your EOC, but you're in an honors class and you're going to take hard science classes, and your science teachers are going to expect you to know how to do this. So keep an eye out, listen up, and that's that. What I want you to do in your book is page 112, 19 through 27, otters, and 36 to 41.